Hi, I'm Derek Alba with Elite 3 Pro. I'm here at the TOLA Expo in Dallas, Texas. I have Noah Kaplan here from Leon. He is the founder of Leon, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his brand and what products are available today.
Well, first, Derek, thanks so much for having us at TOLA. We're happy to be out on the road again. A little bit about Leon. About 25 years ago, we had this thought that audio, video, all these things that had to do with sound, music, us being musicians and artists, needed to start thinking about more about how the things looked as much as how the things sounded. So me and a group of craftsmen and engineers and artists started a company called Leon Speakers out of Ann Arbor, Michigan. 25 years later, we have our factories in Ann Arbor, Michigan, where we manufacture high-end soundbars that match your TV. We manufacture high-end custom audio products, frames for your TV. And so just thinking about TV with a different approach that has to do more with design and has to do more with how you think as a homeowner, not just how you think about technology. So, it used to be when you were putting a speaker in a house, you really weren't considering the materials the speaker was made out of. But we think now, as design becomes more important, we want homeowners to have options and choices, be able to personalize their sound. What do you want your sound to look like? So now we have a whole palette of products, and we like to think artistically and take an artistic approach to integrating technology into a house. And that's paid off in the vision of Leon, which is all about really mixing design with technology and with a mission of creating balance by design. So because we love sound, we love art, we love design, we're always rethinking how we can do this. So behind us, we're looking at what we call our edge media frame. Normally this would be hanging on a wall, but a TV to us is an amazing piece of technology, but it's also an appliance, right? So imagine going into your kitchen and just putting a refrigerator in the middle of your kitchen, not putting trim work or cabinetry around it. I feel like the same exact rules apply to your television. So we call this the edge media frame, a television treatment, similar to like a window treatment. Like, I don't like to see the edge of the TV. I don't want to see the wires. I don't want to see the lights from the back. This edge media frame kind of is a nice, simple way to trim out your TV, add nice elements of design and high-end materials like solid hardwood, and then also choose a fabric so it kind of complements the rest of your decor. This is a really small installation for us, but this could be what your television could look like.
And so this can be custom fitted for practically any television, right?
Absolutely. And what's cool is we only sell this to high-end audio contractors all over the world. So those audio contractors help the customers sort of figure out what is the best solution for me. And then we, in turn, build every single one by hand for you. So there are no Leons sitting on a shelf somewhere. When you order a Leon, even the speaker is handmade from scratch when you order it. So it's more like a customized piece of art than just a normal piece of technology you'd find on a shelf in a big box store.
Well, thank you so much, Noah. There you have it, custom built for you. I'm here at TOLA Expo again. Come out and join us. We have a lot of great manufacturers here, and you can come by and talk to Noah yourself.
Yeah, come hang out, or if you don't get to, check out our brand new website at leonspeakers.com. Thanks, y'all.